Introducing the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Phev, 5-door auto in sleek grey. This stunning estate Jotch Jeep boasts a powerful 1.6-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine with automatic transmission. Loaded with premium comfort and accessories, features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and wireless charging. Safety features include collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning. Stylish additions like chrome package and glass roof make this vehicle stand out. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, this Santa Fe is ready for adventure. Contact us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details. Drive home in luxury today.